Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can add a virtual assistant to Asana. So this is extremely simple, guys. You just go ahead and navigate to your project. For example, we'll choose this one, test 1. And as you can see, we have task name, assignee, due date, and you can also add other fields and sections as well. So it's very simple. Just make sure that you add your assignee first to your project, right? So in my case, I will just use myself to assign to a task. So guys, now I will tell you the steps, right? So you need to click on the project name, of course, add members, add the email address. Okay, so for example, this is the test task. Now under assignee, this will be your virtual assistant, so just click on plus. So I'm just going to click on myself. If you have another person, you can add them. Due date, for example, let's choose some random date like that, November 4. Yeah, and now if you want to add anything else, you can add any relevant attachments or comments. And also, guys, you can also use the commenting feature to provide instructions and feedback. So just like I said, if you want to add a task right here, just press test task 2, for example. Again, you choose another assignee, for example. Maybe you have a different person you can that you want to sign in, to add to this. Another due date, okay, like that. And that's it, guys. So this is very easy. Guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully this helps. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.